Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix green screen problem on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. The causes of the green screen may be hardware or software problems. In the case of a software malfunction, we can fix our Android phone ourselves without the help of a repair company. If the touch screen doesn't respond to finger taps, restart your Samsung phone first. To do this, press and hold the power off and volume down buttons on the side of the phone until the phone reboots. The green screen problem will disappear but may return periodically. If the problem returns, try the following steps. Reset your phone to factory settings or reduce the screen resolution. To reset your phone to factory settings, go to Phone Settings, next swipe down and find Accounts and Backup. Tap on it, and before resetting the system, be sure to make a backup to save your data. You can backup your data to Samsung Cloud or to Google Drive. After backup, return to the main settings, then find General Management, tap on it, swipe down and tap on Reset. And here you can reset your Samsung phone to its factory default settings. Pay attention that this will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. Tap on Factory Data Reset, swipe down and tap on Reset once more to confirm your choice. And here you can use Smart Switch to back up your data to an SD card or USB storage device before resetting your phone. To do this, follow Smart Switch link. If the reset didn't help, try changing your screen resolution. To do this, open Google Play Store and find Screen Resolution Changer. Decreasing the resolution can help us solve this problem. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.